Hey man, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, this video I got a 2002 Chevy Astro van. Got to do some work on it, did an oil change. I want to show you this transmission service. I'm going to be replacing the transmission filter and the fluid. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, excuse the loud noise, man. I'm right next door to some type of machinery factory. But I'm gonna get this to y'all. We gotta hit these bolts here. These bolts are 13 mil. So what we want to do, we're gonna remove the back bolts and then work on our way loosening up the. Pretty much want to leave these in the front end, so because we don't have a drain plug, so fluid is going to come out, so we want to just let that come out the back while the car is up in the air. It'll flow out. You can see how it's coming out now, and I left these in, just loosened them up. And we just work it down. All right, we down. We're gonna clean this out. Got a lot of that's on that magnet. Alright, we got a clean pan. This thing been beat up, boy. Dang. Alright, so we're gonna get this old gasket off. And what I'm gonna use is a plastic razor. And I'm gonna bring out the regular razor, because some of these areas are too tough to get off, like that plastic wouldn't get that, so I will hit it with this. Alright, that's the gasket. What I'm going to do is probably put a little gasket sealing on it just to hold it down in place. It's our new filter. Got two different choices to choose from. That's one, and then it's another one. I believe this is the shallow. That's another one. So all you want to do next, just want to wiggle this up out of here. Alright, you're gonna need both hands to pull that out. That screen is filthy, boy. Alright, you want to take your new one and go ahead and install that one. Alright, we in there. Pop that in. Clean up your surface before we install this pan. Alright, we got the gasket on. Go ahead and install. Alright, just like that, we back up in. Now we want to top it off with our transmission fluid. Alright, get your funnel. Pull that out. Transmission fluid dipstick. You want to fill it up, top it off. That's what I'm using. Once we top it off, you want to start it up, let it run, and go through the gears. Pretty much reverse, neutral, drive, on, and just do it a couple times. Let the fluid circulate through the gears. Alright, next you want to check your level and make sure it's topped off. Add more if needed. Man, I hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.
Yeah.